Hello everyone! Today we continue working with the vest. Last time I made a pattern, and today I'll cut and tack it. After that I'll try the vest on together with the skirt. I think that the vest is bigger than I want it to be, but I'll alter it after fitting. The back is ready. This is the center back. This is the side seam. Make it longer this way to the center of the dart. And then turn the line back to the side seam. We need to do it in case we need to alter the dart after fitting. Side seams should be smooth. Do not forget to make a notch on the waistline. I've already added 2.5 centimeters here. The front, the back, and the side detail. I can't wait to try this outfit on. Do not forget to make a notch on the waistline. The back, the side detail, the front. You saw that it's not hard to change a basic pattern into the one for such vest. You can make such vests of linen or of cotton. Long vests also look really good. You can make a long vest and wear it with different dresses. You can also combine different colors. Use your imagination. Next, Natalie will help me tack the details. I want to do it fast. When I tack the vest, I'll try it on. I need to trace the center front to the other side. I wanted to tack the vest, but I decided to double it first. I'll double it off the camera. I've already showed you how to do it a lot of times. You know what to do. I want to show you how to tack such darts. Natalie will show you what to do. Notice that the line is straight, but Natalie is making the dart slightly round. Have a close look at the dart. This is how the skirt looks like now. It's almost ready for a fitting. I tacked the seams, and now I'm taking them close for a fitting. I want them to look good. The more seams you make in a vest, the better it looks. Have a look here. The original line was straight, but Natalie made it round. This is how bias darts should be tacked and stitched. They would fit you better in this case. I'm also taking the dart close. I remind you that I added some to the dart. You can see that this detail matches the side seam. I'll cut the extra piece. This is how the dart looks like now. We moved the seam for just 3 or 4 millimeters, and the difference is drastic. I remind you that the front detail is shorter than the side and the back ones. We have just the second side seam left to be tacked. I can see that I need to change this part a bit. I'll do it after fitting. Natalie, please tack these seams close too. You can see that all the details are doubled with interfacing. It's very thin. Have a look at me. I'm wearing the tacked vest and skirt. Have a look at the skirt. Don't tell me that it doesn't fit me well. I remind you that it's just tacked. It will look different after stitching and ironing. This is how it looks like now. Have a look at the yoke on the back. I'm not going to make pockets. You can do it if you want. When we top stitch the details, the skirt will look amazing. Let's have a look at the vest. The length is perfect. It shrank a bit after doubling. Now it looks just like it should. Notice that the side and the back details are a bit longer than the front. I'm not going to change the length. When I make a blouse for this outfit, it will look much better. I want to alter the front neckline. Ira will help me. I think that the shoulders are too wide. And I think that the vest is too big. As I've already said, I want it to be tiny. Ira will help me. The width of the shoulders will be 5 centimeters. Ira is drawing not a straight, but slightly round line. Yes, I want the front neckline to be wider. Let's pin it. I think that it looks much better this way. We need to draw an armhole. Make it wider too. You can see how an item should really look like, only when you put it on. We also need to make the armhole deeper. The armhole should be also made wider on the back. As I've already said, a vest should be tiny. When I take the vest off, we'll make all the changes. I recommend making very narrow shoulders in vests. Such tiny details make us look smaller too. When Ira finishes drawing the lines, we'll change them, and then I'll cut the lining. I think that we did a great job. Next time we'll continue working with this outfit. Now you know that you can adjust the basic pattern to any design. It's not hard to do it. I know that it's okay for some people to wear same clothes every day. It's not okay for me. I love to be different and beautiful. That's all for today. We поучите Irina, Natalie, and Ira. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.